sticks.
All right, take it. Take this. Take it. Take it.
You better be careful. You're scaring me.
He seems very confused as to how fire works.
Go.
What are you doing?
Didn't work.
It's not gonna explode.
It's gonna explode. Try this again. Give me another one.
Why would it explode? There's no gunpowder in there.
It's gonna explode.
Fire doesn't explode.
It's gonna explode. Tristan's been saying this all night, and it's gonna explode.
It didn't explode.
It's gonna explode. Oh wait, I need to light
Have you
it.
never built a fire in your life?
Do you want to make it?
What do you mean?
You want to set it off?
Light a bunch of matches?
Yeah.
That's kind of a waste.
That'll be funny. Here we go. Take it to the box. Crap, no. Don't go out. Darn it.
Yeah, in the grass. Not on my thingy. On my porch. I'm gonna blow Chase's car up.
That's what I'm aiming for. I think I can make it. Okay,
You
take it.
actually
Take it.
believe him or something?
Take it.
You're literally just gonna suffocate it immediately. There's no air.
Go. There's air.
That's not very much air.
It's hot, I can tell you that. Fine. I'll open it up.
You broke it.
Right, let's try this again. I want it to go off.
Go off. It's not a firework.
It's a firework.
Firework has gunpowder.
This has gunpowder.
Yes, it does.
Did you put gunpowder in it?
Yep.
I don't believe him.
Me neither.
Okay.
Says one. There we go. Here, take it, take it, take it, take it. Ah.
I'm gonna have a ton of matches in my grass, aren't I?
Maybe.
Your pyro doesn't know how to start a fire.
I'm on
Figured it out.
pyro.
There we go. No, don't go out. Come on.
In the wind.
Let me